Guys, so this is what our bathroom looks like before we get that awesome stick-on tile installed. As you can see, we peeled off the nasty old bath stuff here and desperately needing something. And this is our solution for that. Here is one of the tiles. We already took it out of its. They come individually packaged like this, right? So it's really nice. We already took this one out just so I can show you a little more. So it is a stick-on. The back has that layer that you can peel off. And this is what it looks like on the front. It comes in these individual pieces. You can see that each kind of row is individual and yet they're all stuck together. So it's one solid piece or real easy to slit along and get individual kind of strips. And they're all different sizes, right? So this one's about 1 inch wide. This one's maybe 3/4 of an inch. This one's like less than 1/2 inch, right? So they're all different sizes. And this is what it looks like, and we'll be showing you how to install that. All right, now I want to show you kind of the process of putting it on. As you can see, I've taken off the mirror. It's just easier that way for my setup. And this is the height that I need. At first, I used my table saw, and then I realized that it slides right behind it. So I can actually go and cut right between where these two layers are with a razor blade. Let me show you how easy this is. Slice. Now my piece is gonna fit. I just gotta peel this off, which it's a really good sticky. So sometimes the piece on the back is just a little bit difficult to take off, but I would rather have it that way than not sticky enough. So now it's ready to go on. So all I have to do now is get lined up. I need to make sure that mine slides under that so it's not sticking out. That's the only tricky part since it's sticky. There we go. And push it on. Okay, and that's it. Like that's how easy this is. Look at that. You can't even tell there's a seam there. Like it's pretty fantastic. So now I'll just toss my mirror on and I'll keep going. I'll use a table saw to cut this flat edge, but there's lots of different things you can do. Like this razor will cut through it if you want. Scissors will cut through it. For me, it's easier to use my table saw though. And then I'll just keep going. And you'll see the finished product. Right, guys, I wanted to show you our awesome tile, and I think it looks amazing with our counter. Just awesome backsplash, super easy to install, and I think it looks really classy. So you should get it.